Imagine a time when the vast oceans were uncharted and the mysteries they held were beyond human reach. Advances in underwater technology have now opened the doors to these hidden realms, revealing a submerged civilization beneath the waves. The journey begins with cutting-edge drones and submersibles, meticulously scanning the ocean floor, unveiling structures that bear an uncanny resemblance to known ancient civilizations. Enter our team, a motley crew of marine archaeologists, historians, and tech wizards who face the Herculean task of exploring this underwater enigma. Battling treacherous currents and the oppressive pressure of the deep sea, they unearth artifacts that whisper tales of a forgotten world. Among the finds are intricately designed pottery, remnants of tools, and mysterious inscriptions, all hinting at a once thriving society. Cue the dramatic underwater footage. Ancient pillars covered in marine life, partial statues, roads leading to now-buried city gates. Morgan Freeman's voice fills the screen. These discoveries, each more tantalizing than the last, rewrite our understanding of human history. They suggest migration patterns and societal evolutions we have yet to comprehend. Experts weigh in, their faces serious yet excited, detailing the painstaking process of artifact analysis. The research team faces numerous challenges: equipment failures, the sheer vastness of the site, and the indistinct clues left by a civilization erased by the tides of time. And yet, their perseverance pays off. Through 3D animations, we witness the ancient city in its prime, bustling with life, a center of trade and culture. The video's climax centers on the big, unresolved question: why did this civilization vanish, and how many more lie hidden beneath the ocean's expanse? Future expeditions are teased with a mix of suspense and optimism, hinting at more underwater discoveries that could reshape our understanding of early human societies. The innovative technology that allowed these discoveries is highlighted, stressing its role in expanding the frontiers of historical research. As the video wraps up, Morgan Freeman's wise, assured voice leaves viewers pondering, what other secrets does the deep hold? Perhaps it is only a matter of time before we rediscover the lost chapters of human history, one dive at a time.